A lighting upgrade is a big undertaking. It requires knowledge and understanding of products, energy usage, incentives from your utility provider, the best ways of maintenance and installation, and financial considerations. But it doesn't have to be if you choose a trusted lighting partner that can guide you through it all and give you higher quality products and ease of positive change without you having to stress about the project. Here is a list of 8 lighting project mistakes to avoid so your lighting project goes smoothly. 1. Deciding on the wrong lighting partner for your project. Not all LED lighting projects are created equal, and many lighting service providers don't understand that. It is best for your facility and business if you choose a commercial lighting partner that cares about your needs and puts them first. 2. Making a decision based on upfront costs. If you choose your lighting partner based on price alone, you are bound to run into issues, receive inferior products, and/or end up spending more money with hidden costs. 3. Waiting too long. Delaying to pull the trigger on a lighting project can be a costly mistake. The longer you wait to switch to more energy efficient LED lighting, the more money you lose each day to high energy costs. 4. Believing you can't afford a LED project. LED costs have gone down considerably as the technology is being adopted by more companies. On top of that, the energy savings you will see on your energy bill once the project is completed could lead to a very quick ROI, possibly in just a couple of years or even less. 5. Receiving an inaccurate lighting audit. A trustworthy lighting partner should perform a thorough inspection of your property, which includes the number of existing fixtures you currently have, the number of hours each fixture is on each day, the type of fixtures you have currently installed, where each fixture is located, the energy consumption of the lighting fixture, and the square footage of your facility. 6. Using incorrect electricity rates and run hours to calculate savings. A reputable lighting provider should present a proposal that uses your kWh rate and your run hours to calculate how much money you are spending on electricity now and how much you'll save through an LED lighting project. 7. Forgetting to include the people the LED upgrades affect. Don't neglect the people who will be under the new lights day in and day out. 8. Undertaking a LED upgrade on your own. The LED lighting world is complicated, full of misinformation and gimmicky products with empty promises. Working with a lighting partner that knows and understands the ins and outs of the industry is the best way to go. Selecting the correct lighting partner for your LED project can have a huge impact on your satisfaction rates, your bottom line, and employee morale. Make sure the partner you choose is one you trust to have the knowledge and care to execute your project to your specifications.